Hi, let's look at Fabricare Manager's function for how to invoice without a work order. To begin, enter your ID at the clerk menu and then press OK. Now, select the Invoice button from the middle of the order menu on the left side of the screen. Use the blue toggle button to bring up the last name option and start typing the customer's last name. If the name is already in your customer database, it will appear below. Continue typing the last name until the list narrows enough to show the customer you seek. To learn about adding new customers, see the Customer Creation Guided Tour. Click the name of the customer and OK for any invoice reminder that pops up to bring up the invoicing screen. We choose the cleaning department in this case, and then select the Dresses and Skirts button from the items shown. We now proceed to select each item, its color, and also the item's pattern if there is one. When there are exact duplicate items, we can use the multiplier to add them to the invoice. When we're done, we'll see that 2 black and white striped dresses have now been entered on the invoice. Now let's add a couple of shirts to the order. If there are multiple items but the color and pattern are different, we'll use the sum option to add these multiple items of different colors. The items that we are adding, a navy lace shirt and a red multicolored one, will show up on the invoice. Once all items have been entered, we hit the Save button to move to the invoice completion screen. Here we can change the ready on date if necessary, and also add such things as coupons, discounts, notes, merchandise purchased, or any service fees. We can also edit the customer info if needed by clicking on the name in the upper right corner of the screen. See that we can correct the street number of this customer's address from 123 to 124 Main Street and save it by pressing OK. Once the invoice is done, press the Save Print button and then Cancel to return to the clerk menu. And that's the invoice writing process without using a work order.